Hello friends, Nagaraj here and welcome you all once again for this series of learning C programs. So in the previous session we discussed how to write a C program for reversing of a given integer and adding the individual digits of that given integer. So in this session we'll go for the next experiment, that is experiment number 5. Write a C program to detect the Armstrong numbers in 3 digits from 100 to 999 using while loop. So let me begin with the problem definition, that is write a C program to detect the Armstrong number, or else I'll write it in capital. Armstrong numbers in 3 digits from 100 to 999 using do while loop. So this is our problem definition. For this we have to write the C program. But what is Armstrong number? That we have to understand first. Then how to find the 3 digits Armstrong numbers from 100 to 999? That we have to understand. How many numbers are present? How many Armstrong numbers are present from 100 to 999? That we have to check, that we have to detect. So first, what is Armstrong number, right? Armstrong number is nothing but the sum of cube of each individual digits of a given number. That is nothing but Armstrong number. For example, suppose the given number is 153. So after doing here 1 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube, that is 1 raised to cube plus 5 cube plus then 3 cube. Then after doing this, what is the value that we have to check? That is 1 raised to cube. 1 raised to cube is nothing but 1 plus 5 raised to cube. 5 cube is nothing but 125 plus 3 cube, that is nothing but 27. And after adding this we are getting 153. See this, the result, the sum of cube of each individual digits of the given integer is same as the given number. So this is nothing but Armstrong number. The sum of each individual digits is same as the given number. If this is the case, we call it as Armstrong number. So this is how we are identifying Armstrong number. Then how this do while loop works, that we have to check, right? What is the syntax of that do while loop? So we have to check here. We have to understand how this do while loop works. So the syntax of do while is something like this. Do set up statements here, then after this while we are writing while some condition here for while loop, and we are ending it with a semicolon. This is the syntax of do while loop. Do this set of statements, execute this set of statements here until and unless this condition becomes false. If this condition becomes false, if this condition becomes true, then stop doing execution for these statements. If this condition is true, then stop this. If condition is false, execute these statements. This is how the do while loop works. So we'll go for coding how to write a C program to detect the Armstrong numbers in 3 digits from 100 to 999 using do while loop. So we'll code for it. Then as usual, the hash include stdio.h is for adding header files from the standard library. So what I'll do, I'll take here some variables for n. For n, what I'll do, I have to take some variable, then I, comma n, comma remainder. I'll tell why we are using these many variables, what is the purpose of using them. So next I'm printing here one printf statement, making use of one printf statement to print one line, that is printf. I'm just saying that Armstrong numbers from 100 to 999 are just I'm displaying them. So after this statement I'm going to display all the numbers. So what I'm doing, initially I'm taking I as, I'm setting I equal to 1000 because I have to find Armstrong numbers till this number, till 999. So initially I am initializing it to 1000, 1 greater than this number, 1 greater than the limit which they have given in the problem definition. So that is the reason I am initializing I equal to 1000. Then do what we have to do, we have to perform the we have to execute set of statements here, that is n equal to I, just I am making one more variable here, making use of one more variable here, that is n equal to I. Then why I am doing this, I'll tell, because we are also using this I for some other operations. That is the reason I'm just initializing that value to n. So initially sum equal to 0 I am initializing, then remainder also equal to 0 I am initializing, then do these statements, then while it is one more while loop I'm taking inside do while loop. So while n not equal to 0, perform these operations. What operation we are performing? Remainder equal to n mod 10. Why we are performing this? Just to check that the third digit of third digits of from 100 to 99, just if you do this you will be getting the third digit of that number. That is the reason we are checking, we are trying to get the third number of that given, third digit of the number. So after this what I am doing, sum equal to sum plus. So just to make, after getting getting that third digit of the number, we have to cube it. We have to perform cube operation for that number. So for that, what I am doing, sum equal to sum plus remainder. Here we will be getting that third digit remainder, rem plus rem into rem into rem. This is the cube operation we are performing for that given number, and adding that number to the sum. So finally we will be checking, like here we'll be checking after adding this operation, after performing this operation, we'll be adding this 27 to some others, to other the remaining sum value, to the remaining sum value. That is the reason we are writing here rem into rem into rem, that is cube operation. Then to get the next digit, to get, see, among 153, here 3 we did, now 3 we did, so remaining is 15. So how to get this 15, how to check that, how to get that 15? So what we have to do here, just perform n divided by 10 and initialize it to n again, n equal to n by 10. Then we will be getting here 15. Then again perform this same operation until n not equal to 0. If n equal to 0, it will not come here. N not equal to 0, till n equal to 0, it will be performing these operations. So after this, what we have to do, one more thing is, in do loop, if sum equal to I. What is the I here? If sum equal to I, that is nothing but I is, this is the reason I am taking I here separately. So sum equal to I, that is this sum, if this is equal to 1000, what we have to do, we have to print the sum. We have to print the sum. We have to print the sum. What is the sum here? Percentage d comma sum. Then increment the value of I plus plus. This all things we are doing till while I less than or equal to 999. I less than or equal to 999, we are doing these operations, this all operations we are doing. So after that, what we have to do, we have to run this and check whether this gives the proper output or not. So I have shown here 153 is an Armstrong number, so I'll be entering the same number, whether it gives the output properly or not, we'll check it, or whether it will be listing that 153 among between 100 to 999 or 999 or not. So we'll check it, we'll run it, and we'll check it whether it produces the correct result or not. So I'm missing here one semicolon. Okay, just I'll run it. Oh, that's great. Armstrong numbers from 100 to 999 are, oh, it is not displaying anything. So let me check it once again. Hold a minute. Okay, it's not displaying the proper output, that is Armstrong numbers from 100 to 999. It is not displaying anything. So let me check the code once again. That is uh, as included storage main int sum I comma n comma rem printed Armstrong numbers r from 100 to 999 r Armstrong numbers from 100 to 999 r I equal to 1000. Oh, this is the thing here. That is, I should be initially 100. I equal to 100. That is the reason it is not displaying any value, because the condition is from 100 to 999. So I equal to 100. Then check it once again and rerun it. What happened? Still it is displaying. Just a minute. Okay, there is one more thing that we have to stop this first. Then we have to remove, what is that, this brackets. So just run it once again, check it once again. Oh, Armstrong numbers from 100 to 99 are, oh, it is giving in a single line. So let me add a new line character here for printing each digit in the new line, and rerun it once again and check it. Yes, that's great. Okay, here Armstrong numbers are 153, 370, 371 and 407. See, 153, as I shown before starting this program, I have explained 153 is an Armstrong number, and do it for cube this each digits of these numbers and check whether, verify it whether these all numbers are Armstrong numbers or not once again. And if you are having any doubts in it, any queries you are having, please do ask your queries, and I'll be helping you for your queries. If you are having any doubts, please ask your queries. So thanks for watching.